Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during BlazeMail's Bay Day tournament. Today, the Dragon King will be facing a new challenger. With a burning passion, wielding the power of an entire Phoenix line, he uses this deck to unleash a fiery storm that burns through any opponent. Here comes the Phoenix God. Oh, and he prints out customized Battle Pass designs, so check out his Facebook page. Will the Phoenix God overcome the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King regain his title? Stick around to find out. This is the Dragon deck that I'll be using on this challenge. Dran Buster with a 360 ratchet and a Rush bit. Wyvern Gale with a 380 ratchet and a Hexa bit. Dran Sword with a 960 ratchet and a flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge. Sige, pwede ka pa mag-shuffle.
Ay, wala ko. Lobot ako.
Pick muna tayo. Okay ka na. First bay tayo. Dito na lang. Uy, Drancer. Okay. So may Phoenix Feather dyan. Okay, Bladers ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Uy! Naku, talo. Okay, 1-0. Second bay, Kobe. Sige, ako na magbibila. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ay, mga boss. Third bay, Phoenix Wing. There's every 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Nako! Nice! Ayun, so panalo ka na 1 set. Next set tayo. Pick muna tayo, tapos pwede ulit mag-shuffle. Balik na rin. Yeah. First way ulit. Okay, ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Boy naman yan. Sira tayo. Second bay. Okay, ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ayun, valid naman eh. Valid naman. 4-0, so 1-1 tayo sa set. Next set, last set tayo. Pick muna tayo. Dito pa rin ako. Okay. First B na lang ulit. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Second game. Yan din kanina, no? Ano din, nag-qualify ka?
Pero ako, kasi ang
yung kanina.
nakita ko yung motif mo for travel sa vlog ko. Kaya nagkala ko.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Iwasok lang. Ay! Reverse pa. Tapos na. Stamina lang. Yo!
Yeah. Sir, nice game. Thank you very much po.
Hey, paano na?
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 2, Phoenix God 1. It was a close match, but the Dragon King sweeps the final set, breaking his losing streak to regain his title. Wawawiwa. Props to the Phoenix God for the match. Keep that fire going.
So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up.
That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to the Phoenix God, and I'll see you guys on the next video.